He's got 10. Wow, mind blowing.
10 nomination मिले हैं.
Has been nominated for 10 Oscars.
After a sizzling success at the theatres abroad, Slumdog Millionaire has continued its unstoppable rise with 10 Oscar nominations, including Best Picture and Best Director for Danny Boyle.
10 nomination मिले हैं. I think it's the first time. Everything about this film is historic. और पहली बार Indian actors को इतना बड़ा मंच मिला है. I'm so excited.
Here we are for the premiere of the film. Tomorrow the film is going to release. Today is the premiere, and on the premiere night, we get this, that it has been nominated for 10 Oscars. Can you believe this?
That matters most to me, that we got these 10 Oscar nominations. I think everyone in this film has put in so much of hard work. I mean, everyone is smiling and laughing.
Slumdog Crorepati is all set to release in India. The cast and crew of the film walked the red carpet in the grand premiere of the film.
बहुत ही खुशी की बात है कि इंडिया में फिल्माई गई, इंडिया के सब्जेक्ट मैटर पर बनाई गई एक फ़िल्म को इतने नॉमिनेशंस मिले हैं. मेरे लिए ज़्यादा खुशी की बात यह है कि मेरे एक्टिंग स्कूल का क्लासमेट, मेरा दोस्त अनिल कपूर इस फिल्म का हिस्सा है.
I'm a person who's always had the wonderful opportunity of looking at India on a global platform. So every time a film does that for India, I feel elated and very, very proud.
Fantastic, what more? I think it's a sense of pride and definitely something that, we're all standing by this.
I am wearing a Shantanu Nikhil gown. I don't think I've ever looked so elegant, especially after doing a film like Nishat, so I'm pretty excited.
In every category, and most of the categories, they are going to win.
I'm very keen to see the film because 10 Oscar nominations is something which any filmmaker or any person would dream about. So I really hope that we get at least maximum of them.
Slumdog Millionaire is releasing with its Hindi version Slumdog Crorepati, also dubbed and readied for the Janta. The film is a story of a boy from the slums of Mumbai who's taken from street begging to the game show Who Wants to Be a Millionaire.
Because it has chosen a character who's poor. So how do you expect to... Your protagonist is from the slum. So suddenly you can't have all the dances in a disco. That he's traveling in all discos and eating in 5 stars. He's a character.
See, it's a fact. I mean, it's true. We can't cover up the slums that we have. But I suppose that's part of the flavor of Bombay, and that's the way we are. Where we'll have, along with the poverty, we also have the rich and classy people.
Indians are touchy by nature. They're silly people. They shouldn't get into all that stuff. It's a movie, and you portray various things. So you have other countries that portray. America has portrayed mafia and dons all the time. I don't think the Italians should object that. I don't think we should object that. It's a movie. Watch it for its the way it is.
Music is composed by A.R. Rahman, who has already won the Golden Globe Award for the film and has bagged 3 nominations for Oscars now. So let's see what our Bollywood celebrities have to say.
A.R. Rahman हमेशा से मेरे favorite music director रहे हैं, and I think the way he has accentuated so many Hindi films with his music is commendable, and it was just a matter of time that the other side of the planet acknowledged his talent.
A.R. रहमान तो बहुत शानदार म्यूजिक देते हैं. उन्होंने अवार्ड जीता, इसका हमें बहुत फख्र है, बहुत खुशी है.
I just want A.R. Rahman to win because I'm sure he will.
The grand evening was a completely electrifying occasion when Bollywood celebrities walked for the premiere with lots of expectations.
I'm expecting a film that is going to blow me away.
I'm expecting good work.
I'm expecting the world.
Latika!
Bollywood Hungama News Network.
Just thank you for making us proud, and thank you for doing the good work that he does and making it fly higher and higher and higher.
Absolutely, it's a great tribute to the city. Absolutely.